Hello guys, so today's vlog it's another quick tutorial regarding how to connect or how to use the ISO shutter and aperture from your DJI RS4 connected to the Sony A7C II. Instead, you will go from your camera menu. You can direct change your ISO aperture and shutter in the DJI RS4. So yan guys, again, if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start. First, make sure that you have the OTG cable or USB-C to USB-C that it comes from the box of DJI RS4. Connect the USB-C from the camera. Have the USB-C here. And the other USB-C is in the photographer side, on the back side. Yan. Because there is two USB-C here in the front. You must use the back of the USB-C. Yan, this side. Balance the camera. I already balanced and done. First, just turn on. Okay, with the balance already. Make sure it's fully connected. The wire, turn on the camera. And you will notice here, you have remote shoot, PC remote. Just press OK. And set. Yan. Now you have a connected camera. So guys, you have a connected camera to the DJI RS4. Swipe up. You will see here from dial functions. Just press the dial function and you have here the function, focus motor, Bluetooth drive, ISO, aperture, and shutter. Let's go with the ISO. Click the ISO and focus here guys. And you can see that the ISO is changing. So, yan. For example, we use 200. Now, we go to auto shutter. Okay, exchange with the shutter speed. Shutter speed, we can exchange up to, see, this just focus here guys and yeah, it will go change your shutter. Example, I will go with 1/60, 50, 40, 50. Yan. And if you want to change the aperture, you can change here. Go with the aperture. And you can change from here. This is your dial here, the front. This one. Yan. And yeah, that is how quick and easy you can control your ISO, aperture, and shutter to the DJI RS4 from your camera Sony A7C Mark II. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's tutorial. Again, if you want to know more about the Sony A7C and the DJI RS4, you can comment down below guys. So, if you have any question, just comment down below. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's quick tutorial regarding Sony A7C Mark II connected to DJI RS4 and control the ISO, shutter, and the aperture. So, yan guys, without going to the camera. Yan. And make sure guys, your lens is fully automatic for the aperture so you can control the aperture. If you have manual lens, you cannot control the aperture from manual. At least you have fully automatic aperture blade from the lens. So, yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Shout out kay Palaboy. Andon, si Palaboy. Yan. Yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Sorry guys, again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Sony A7C Mark II and the DJI RS4, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Again, if you want to check all the prices from the Sony product and DJI product, visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang nilinis yung ating studio type. So yan, see you on the next vlog.